So guys, I'm going to put on the hardware mounting kit. So the first thing you need to do is unhook this, right? There are 2 screws on the side that you need to put in, and then that'll take care of one side. You do the other side, and then I'll show you. Yeah, I got to hook up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hook up the rest of it, and let's have fun. Only 2 things left to do is to lock it. So there's a screw that goes in here on both sides. That keeps the front intact. And for the back, if you take a look, that direction means locked. This direction towards the door means unlock. And that's all you have to do to put a hardtop in, okay? So this is what it looks like when all said and done. Now, as I said, the color doesn't match, but you know what? That's okay. I still think it's pretty cool.